Hello everybody, we are doing logarithms, which is the part of real numbers in class 10. So in this, the 7th question is, if 2.3 whole power x is equal to 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So it is given that, given 2.3 whole power x is equal to 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. Then we have to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So we can write this separately as 2.3 whole power x is equal to 1000 and 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. I am writing this equal to 1000 and 0.23 whole power y is also equal to 1000. So you can write this as 2.3 whole power x is equal to, this is 1000 is nothing but 10 cube. Similarly, 0.23 whole power y is equal to 10 cube. Then similarly you can write from this 2.3 is equal to 10 power 3 by x. That is, if I raise to the power 1 by x both sides, that is 2 by 3 power x whole power 1 by x, x gets cancelled, and 10 cube power 1 by x. So 3 into 1 by x is 3 by x. Similarly, I will get here as 0.23 power y. If I raise to the power of 1 by y, y gets cancelled. So here 3 into 1 by y is 3 by y. Okay, so we got this. Mark it as 1, mark this one as 2. Now consider, we are considering this one, 0.23 whole power y. I am considering this in order to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So 0.23 can be written as, I can write it as 2.3 by 10. 2.3 by 10, if I remove this 0, it moves one digit from right to left, it becomes 0.23. So 0.23 can be written as 2.3 by 10. Then I am writing y as it is. Okay, so now here what is 2.3? 2.3 can be written as, here 2.3 can be written as 10 power 3 by x. From equation 1, in place of 2.3 I can write 10 power 3 by x by 10 whole power y. Okay, so now this can be written as 10 power 3 by x power y by 10 power y. I am writing the power separately. Okay, so we will get it as 10 power 3y by x by 10 power y. So this can be written as, that is, left side you have 0.23 whole power y is equal to, this is 10 power 3y by x. If I bring this 10y to the numerator, it becomes 10 power minus y. So bases are equal, we can add the powers, that is 3y by x plus into minus is minus y. Here you have, what is 0.23 whole power y? 0.23 whole power y is 1000. Mark it as some capital A. Okay, so from A, this value is nothing but 1000. 1000 is nothing but 10 cube. Since from A, equation A. Now if you observe here, in both the cases, now if you observe, here you have 10 cube, here you have 10 power 3y by x minus y. So equating the powers, I have 3 is equal to 3y by x minus y. So take out the LCM, you will have 3y minus xy by x. Here I have 3, cross multiply it, I will get 3x is equal to 3y minus xy. Okay, so I will bring this xy to this side. So this becomes plus xy. This 3x to the right side, so it becomes minus 3x. So from here, you can take out 3 common. So you have y minus x. I will bring this xy to the right side. So here only 1 you will have, or you can write dividing by xy both sides. Okay. Let us take dividing by xy both sides so that you can understand it easily. Xy by xy is equal to 3 into y minus x by xy. Dividing both sides by xy. So xy gets cancelled. So 1 is equal to 3 into, can you see? I'll write it here. So xy gets cancelled. So you have 1 is equal to 3 into y minus x by xy. So this 3 if I bring it this side, it divides. 1 by 3 is equal to y minus x by xy. So apply the denominator separately by xy minus x by xy. This is 1 by 3. So y gets cancelled, xx gets cancelled. So 1 by x minus 1 by y, 1 by 3. So therefore 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. So we have to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. I'll explain it once again. So it is given that 2.3 whole power x is equal to 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. Then we have to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. I am writing this, equating this 2.3 whole power x to 1000 and 0.23 power y to 1000 separately. Okay. Now next to this 1000 I am writing as 10 cube. Here also 1000 I am writing as 10 cube. Now here I am raising to the power 1 by x both sides. So 1 by x gets cancelled. Here 10 cube power 1 by x is 3 by x. Here I am raising to the power 1 by y both sides. So 0.23 power y. I am raising to the power of 1 by y gets cancelled. So only 0.23 will be left here. And 10 cube I am raising to power 1 by y. So 3 into 1 by y is 3 by y. I am marking this as 1, this one as 2. Now I am considering 0.23 whole power y. 0.23 I can write it as 2.3 by 10. If I remove this 10, again I will get back 0.23. Then 2.3 I can write it as 10 power 3 by x. Since from equation 1, if you want you can write it here. From 1, in place of 2.3 I am writing 10 by x by 10 as it is by power y. Now I am applying power separately to both numerator and denominator. So 10 power 3 by x into y is 3y by x. I wrote it here. Then by 10 power y. So left side I have 0.23 whole power y. I am writing as it is. Now next this 10 power y I am bringing it to the numerator. It becomes 10 power minus y. So now 0.23 whole power y value is nothing but 10 cube. 0.23 whole power value is nothing but 10 cube. That one I am writing as 10 cube. Now in both the cases bases are equal. So I am equating the powers 3y by x minus y. Take out the LCM. You will have 3y minus xy. Cross multiply it. I will get 3x is equal to 3y minus xy. I am bringing xy to the other side. So this minus becomes plus. And 3x from left side to right side it becomes minus. So here I can take out 3 common. Okay. So now dividing both sides by xy. So I am dividing both sides. So xy gets cancelled here. So here 1 will be left out. Here 3 into y minus x by xy. Bring this 3 to this side. So it becomes 1 by 3. Now apply this xy separately. So y gets cancelled 1 by x. Xx gets cancelled 1 by y. So 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. We have to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So in this way we can find the value. Kindly subscribe, like and share this channel.